It can be corny or whatever you think, but it's tatted on my neck for a reason, because I've earned my... Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today's video, I'm going to show you what happens when you work on a car. You think you fixed it, but it's actually still broken, and the customers harass you saying that you ripped them off and stuff. So stay to the end and see the conclusion. We're going back to a job we did yesterday. We did a water pump on the 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. When they left this morning to go out, it started leaking. Okay, well, I'll come back out. I messaged them back and said, all right, I'll be out there at 4:30. This is the closest time I can get. This was like at 11 o'clock in the morning. Well, first off, I woke up to like 30 missed calls at 9 this morning and a bunch of messages saying how I ripped them off and all kinds of stuff. I messaged back and I said, you know, things happen. Like, I thought I fixed it. It's still leaking. All right, I'll come back out and fix it, you know, see what's going on with it. And the husband it seemed cool. But then I could tell his wife was messaging me saying I ripped her off. I should have fixed it the first time and all this other shit. So we're going back right now to do this. And I'm going to make a video and show you what we deal with, you know. Yes, I thought I fixed it, but it started leaking. So I said, okay, I'll come back out, you know. This just happened yesterday. I got done at like 8 o'clock at night. They drove this morning and it started leaking. You called me and I said, I'm coming back out. There's nothing wrong with that. You think I want to come back out? You think I wanted it to leak? No, I said, I'm coming back out, and I'm coming out the same day that you called me, not the next day. I made time to come back out. The messages they kept sending even afterwards, you know, and it just got more disrespectful. We messaged said, well, if you just fix it, we'll still do business. And I said, no, there's no more business between us. I said, you've already disrespected me way too many times. I said, I'm coming to fix this because I'm a man of my word, right? I said, but I don't want to talk to you when I get here. And we're about to pull up right now. I said, I just want the fucking keys and a jug of water so I can pour in there to see where it's leaking from, and I'll fix it. I said, I don't want to talk with you. And then he started saying, oh, man, I'm sorry. No, you've already disrespected me all day. I woke up seeing the message, and I told you, yes, I will come back out. There it is. Here we are. So we're pulling back up right now. It's right there. And he's in the car, so.
Got the water right here.
Thank you. And the keys?
Yeah.
All right. That's all I need.
I'm sorry about everything, bro. You know what I mean? I'm sorry about the miscommunication.
I told you I was going to come back out. You know, you think I wanted to leak? You think I want to drive back out? No. Like,
no.
So this is just something normal to happen. Sometimes it'll still leak. Well, you come back out the same day, you know, and you take care of it. Yeah. It's not something you want, you know.
I'm sorry about that.
I wasn't just going to leave you and, you know, take off with your money and not fix the car. You know what I mean?
I'm sorry, bro.
And we went ahead and finished the job. Took us about a half hour. Did the test drive. Everything turned out good for him. He thanked me, but we ain't doing business anymore. And you don't have to work for people that disrespect you. That's the great thing about owning your own business. They disrespect you or treat you in a way that you don't like. You don't have to be in the situation at all. So that's the great thing about it. But I just wanted to show you that because not every job goes perfect. You get people that rip you off and don't want to pay you. I've already showed you that. I got people that'll call 10 mechanics to show up. But a lot of these customers don't give you the benefit of the doubt. As soon as it starts leaking, they're calling you. I'm telling you, I had 30 or 40 voicemails and probably 50 text messages saying that I was a fraud, I ripped them off, they're going to come over, all that. It was 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. I was still asleep because I worked all damn night. And our interactions, and I was there for a long time working, that would make you think I was going to rip you off. Actually, I gave you a deal. I took you a ride to the store so you could get cigarettes and pop and stuff because your car wasn't working. And then you turn around and treat me like this? I went back out and finished it because it's my job and I'm a man of my word. But customers treat you like that and it puts you in a situation you don't want to be in. I don't want to be out of my comfort zone. And people say you got to be out of your comfort zone to grow and all this. No. I spent a long time in the Marine Corps and a lot of time at war. I've been out of my comfort zone more than the regular cat. So no. If you disrespect me, look at this. It can be corny or whatever you think, but it's tatted on my neck for a reason, because I've earned my fucking respect. Alright guys, if you like that video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers and we're getting very close, just a couple hundred off. So please subscribe, help me get that goal. And like always, Semper Fi till next time.